What a wonderful world. Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a 24-hour shopping challenge. I saw Nikki and Gabby doing this video a year ago and I really enjoyed the flow of the video, the pattern of the video, so I decided to follow the same pattern basically. So essentially what's going to happen is out of the 24 hours, I'm going to be given 12 categories and every 2 hours the categories will change. So every 2 hours I have to shop for that particular category. But I haven't done the job of picking the categories. I've asked my friends Aditya and Adya to pick out the 12 categories. So I have no idea what's about to happen. I mean, I've already filmed the videos. I know what's about to happen. But when I was filming the video, I had no idea. And essentially, I'm supposed to shop for 24 hours. It's a 24-hour shopping challenge. It's an online one, obviously. And also stay tuned till the end of the video because that's when you'll find out what all I bought. And I did spend too much of money, so please watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and yeah, let's get started.
I'm Alia Bhatt.
अरे चल ना आजी प्लीज.
आदित्यची फेवरेट आहे ती. Two things difficult.
टेक 32.
Hi Maddie.
Hi Maddie.
So for your 24-hour shopping challenge, we're going to give you 12 categories to shop from. The first one is going to be the most interesting one, and I think that you're going to love this one because
It's your favorite topic.
Yeah. So it's going to be shopping for your birthday. So it's coming up, and I'm sure that you've already started planning on what you want to do. So
I already have a Pinterest board ready for it.
Absolutely. So this is going to be for that.
So to start off, what a great category. This is such a great way to start this video because if you don't already know, birthdays are my favorite. Like even if it's someone else's birthday, I'm excited. If it's my birthday, I'm probably a little bit more excited. And my birthday is gonna be here in 4 months, which means that I need to start working on my birthday series also. But I also am excited to celebrate my birthday. Now I obviously don't know if that's gonna end up happening because of the lockdown, but I'm hopeful. So my game plan is that all of us, like all of my friends, are gonna go to the Happy Place Villas because that's where we go, and we'll just have a good time. I do have a birthday theme in mind which I'm not gonna disclose because I want to keep it a surprise. So probably I'm gonna be shopping for that, which I would have done otherwise also. So great, let's just get started. Okay, so it took me a while to like figure out what I wanted to buy because I know for a fact I don't want to buy my outfit right now because I won't be showing it in the video, so I'll just buy it later on. But talking about the props, I think I'm gonna start off with some pool floats because I love pool floats, and since we are gonna be going to the Happy Place, it just makes sense for me to buy pool floats. So obviously I'm on Amazon and I found this really cool one, like a really cool float, but the price, let me just tell you how much it costs. It costs for 4,300 rupees. So there's no way I'm buying that. So we're just gonna continue scrolling. This looks interesting. The heart. It's not that expensive also, but do I want it? So ऐसा कुछ खास मिल नहीं रहा है, unfortunately. Like when I want to buy stuff, I'll never find it. Otherwise, I'll always like keep seeing really cute stuff. So I found this really weird float which is like a bikini patterned float. This is so creepy. There's no way I'm buying that. Okay, so I've added 2 floats right here. I'm a little bit confused ki kaun sa loo, so I'm just gonna ask my friends really quickly. And then I've just bought like some random decor, which I'll show you in the haul later on. So I asked them which one should I pick. Only Aditya and Shikhar have replied, and dono ne alag alag response diye hai. So I'm just gonna make my own call. So it is 9:29 right now. I do have half an hour more to kill. By the way, I did shop for some more like clothing pieces from Zara. Actually, I've never shopped from Zara before this, like online, so that's going to be interesting. You're gonna have to watch the haul, watch the video till the end to find out what I got. But since I do have half an hour more to go, I'm just gonna work on my Pinterest board, my birthday Pinterest board, and then we can move on to the next category. Chalo, so it's 10 o'clock now. We can move on to category number 2. I just paid for category number 1 ka shopping and it came up to 9 1,000 rupees. You guys better watch my videos and watch the whole video and also watch the ads, because I'm gonna need to make all of this money back. But let's move on and watch category number 2 ka video.
Okay, so for category number 2, we are going to be giving you the category of luxury items or luxury products. So for the next 2 hours, you can shop for any kind of luxury items or products that you have in mind.
I was just talking about saving money, and how the hell am I gonna save money when I buy luxury products? So I mean, when you talk, like when you say luxury products, the first thing that like comes to my mind is like a Gucci bag or like a Louis Vuitton bag or something like that. But you guys know that I don't really believe in buying all of that because it's not vegan. Most of it isn't. And also I don't want to spend money on a bag, like lakhs of rupees on a bag. Not there yet. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of research. Let's see what categorizes as luxury. So I watched like 15 YouTube videos about perfumes, and I feel like Anam and Shreya's videos were really insightful. So from what I figured from all of these videos is that these 5 perfumes tend to really stand out. Like everyone loves them and everyone talks about these perfumes. So the first one is Chance by Chanel. The second one is Marc Jacobs Decadence, which is a very pretty bottle. It's supposed to last you also a really long time, but it's sold out everywhere. Then we have Twilly by Hermes, and then we have this one by Miss Dior, and then we have Black Opium by YSL. So these are the 5 ones that I saw like a reoccurring pattern. So I'm gonna make my decision now and place an order for one of them. Also comment down below if you sit in the weirdest positions throughout the day, and then by the end of the day you complain about your back hurting, because that's me.
So now your third category is going to be something that you really love and can't live without. And imagine shopping for that for 2 hours. So yes, it's going to be food.
I don't know what to do. I'm really struggling with this category. I'm gonna go off camera, take my phone, because laptop clearly it's not working out. So I'm just gonna sit on my phone and scroll through Amazon. Like Amazon always helps me out, so I'm sure I'm gonna be able to fill up my cart and spend a lot of money. I got it. I got a genius idea. I know exactly what I'm ordering. It's not food, it's not like a food item, but it's used to make food, so I think it counts. And also talking about healthy food, my mom came in and she gave me these sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes, which are by the way so yummy and so healthy and so yummy. I said that already. Yeah, it's really good.
The next category is going to be something that's not for you, but it's going to be for your loved ones. So it's going to be buying gifts for your family.
This is a great category. I love this. I am gonna have to brainstorm for sure, so I'm just gonna quickly go grab my lunch, and I think आधे घंटे में I should be able to figure out what I'm gonna get for everyone. I'm for sure what I want to get my younger cousin. I also need to figure out what I need to get for Kashish. I know what I'm getting for my Nana Nani. Mom Dad के लिए definitely सोचना पड़ेगा क्या लाना है. Also when I started this challenge, I thought that I would be done with like each category within like half an hour, because I'm the type of person who like knows what I want and then I'll place an order right away. I don't like think about it and like ponder over it. So I thought that 2 hours would be too much for me for each category, but so far I've taken almost all the time.
So let's move on to the next category, which is going to be gifts for your friends, which means us. And so you can gift anything to all of us, even though it's not our birthday. It was my birthday, but
You did get a gift for your birthday.
second gift for my birthday. But yeah, so basically gifts for your friends.
So I was very much expecting this category. I know जब family वाला आया ना, मुझे पता था next वाला friends आने वाला था. I started making like a mental note. So I definitely know कि what I want to get for Adya, since she is getting married. I want something like a wedding related gift. I know what it is. You're gonna have to watch till the end of the video. Other than that, for Mayur, I was very confused, but then I figured I'll just buy something for Tipu, his pet, a golden retriever. और कौन है? आदि का मुझे पता है क्या लेना है. सिद्धि का भी मुझे पता है क्या लेना है. Shikhar, I need to figure out. Jatin ke liye I'm just gonna buy some books because he's been like reading a lot, so I think that will be a nice gift. Tirth ke liye bhi I have like a funny idea in mind. Okay, baatein kam. Let's just start adding things to my cart. Also, I've finally मतलब वो हो गया है मुझे अभी. Now I'm like over it. I don't want to do this anymore. But I still have like so many categories to go now. We have 7 more categories to go. How am I gonna do this?
2 hours later.
Okay, हो गया सब ऐड कार्ट में. मोस्टली सब Amazon से ही लिया है. So I'm just a little bit worried कि my card doesn't stop like accepting payments, because the amount of transactions I've been doing throughout the day, it kind of seems a little bit like fraudulent, right? So I hope they don't block my card. I might actually just start adding everything to my cart and then make the payment tomorrow. I think that will be a smart thing to do. But then we do have half an hour still to go. So I'm not 100% satisfied with Thieves Gift. So I'll sit and like do a little bit more research, and then I'll see you in the next category.
The next category is going to be something that both of us love. And we went to this one place where we bought so much of it, and we went crazy when we went there. So yeah, it is nothing else but kitchen items, basically kitchenware, and it could include everything. So stuff for me also, okay?
Okay, so for kitchenware, I'm really confused as to what I can order. I do really like to look at kitchenware, but I don't think I need anything as such. There's definitely one thing that I want, which I actually coincidentally saw yesterday only on Amazon, and I added to my to my wish list, because I don't need it, so I didn't buy it. But it's so cute, and it's also very expensive, but it makes sense to buy it for this category. But what else? Oh, I could buy the knives that I got Aditi, the colorful ones, but I don't need them. I need to look for things that I need rather than want. So चलो वो करते हैं. I'm using my handy phone again because laptop पे मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. I don't know why. Phone पे I'm like able to shop like this. I have so much stuff added to my wish list. This is too much. Should I show you what I want? थोड़ा सा spoiler, एक spoiler कर ले. This is what I'm adding to my cart for sure. This entire set is for 1,800 rupees. How and why is it so expensive? Should I not get it? It's so expensive. I've already spent so much money. I'm contemplating my life right now. I shouldn't get it. I know I shouldn't. But it's so cute. But I'm not gonna use it, like ever gonna use it. This category took me so long, probably the longest out of all the categories that I've done. And I used almost the whole of the 2 hours, and I ended up buying like 3 things, 3 or 4. How many things did I buy? Yeah, just 3 things I ended up buying in 2 hours. So that's it for this category. Now we can move on to the next one, but I'm gonna quickly go grab my dinner, and then we can do our research or whatever, like shop while having dinner.
So the next category is an essential right now. It's something that we've been using throughout, and I think that's the only thing that we've been using. So the next category is loungewear.
So for this category, it's gonna take me no research or no thinking at all. Sorry for this weird angle. I'm just so tired of shopping, honestly. I mean, I'm enjoying it, to be honest, but I am a little bit tired also. So this is an easy category for me. I'm not gonna reveal anything. You'll see by the end of the video what I got.
So moving on to the next category, it is going to be bathroom products like shampoos, conditioners, body wash, etc. Like you are the expert in that. So for the next category, it's bathroom products.
Okay, so all of this seemed a little easy to us, and so we've added this twist to this particular category to make it a little more difficult. So the twist is that in this particular category, you can shop only till 5,000 rupees.
I'm so tired. But the next category is bathroom products, I guess, which is, I'm sorry, but it's a very boring category. No offense to Adya and Aditya. But good thing is that I'm only allowed to shop till 5,000 rupees. I can scroll on Nykaa for a really long time without getting bored. So that's a good thing. So I'm just gonna scroll on Nykaa and just like pass my 2 hours, because I don't want to buy anything as such. Like I do know 2 things that I want to buy because I saw them on my Instagram ads today during the day, and I was really excited about it. So I've already added those in my cart. They're already added in my cart. So I don't think I want to add anything else because I own too many products, and I try not to like buy things that it's just too much. Like it makes me feel a little bit like claustrophobic having so much. So we're just going to scroll on Nykaa, just see what's popping, what's new on the market. नए body washes देखते हैं. Maybe body washes मैं add करूँगी थोड़े से, because body wash is something that you do end up using also. My dad also really likes body washes. I also really like, and खत्म होता है जल्दी use कर सकते हैं. You get my point. So let's just get started. This is actually not a very comfortable spot for me to like lay down and scroll through Nykaa. So I'm probably gonna go on my bed, sit in the weirdest position, and scroll through my phone. I'm like blabbering so much. You guys get the point. I'll see you in my next category.
So another interesting category that I know you love shopping for is books. So in this time you can increase your book collection. You can go crazy and buy as many books as you want.
So I'm already done with my lunch, and I'm so sorry I didn't vlog it because I was so hungry. I like ate everything. I inhaled everything rather than eating. Did I say lunch? Dinner. I had my dinner, and now we can move on to the next category. This is a fun category for sure. Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, my makeup's off. I'm starting to get tired. My hair is also in a choti, which means that I'm officially done with my day. I tie a choti every single night before I go to bed, which kind of indicates that it's time to go to bed. Clearly it's not time to go to bed for us. So on to books. I have a nice comfortable spot right here. I'm going to lay down here and just listen to a bunch of book recommendations. I do enjoy watching like recommendation videos quite a lot, so this is going to be nice. It's going to be relaxing. And then I would say in the next second hour I'll like start adding stuff to my cart. I think 1 hour I'm just going to chill slash look at recommendations.
Okay, so the next category is a very interesting one. It is jewelry and or accessories. You know, it's like a combination wherein you can buy jewelry, you can buy shoes,
No, accessories.
bags, and so much more that you can think of. So make the most of it.
Hi guys, so category kya tha? Accessories, right? So there's no way I'm buying any more bags or shoes. I appreciate the category because if you know me, I love shoes and bags, which is why they probably added this in. But I just own too many bags and too many shoes. I don't want to buy anything any more of it. I already have too much. So I actually do have a few other like accessories that I could buy because I keep adding stuff to like my wish list. It's actually helping me and not biting me in my ass. It actually is, because I will have to spend that money regardless. But either ways, I don't have to do too much of research. I do have some like hair accessories that I've added to my wish list, so I can just add those to my cart. But I should buy something else also ना, सिर्फ 2-3 hair accessories नहीं. और क्या आता है accessories में? Face razors? Does that count? I do need face razors right now. That's like a beauty accessory. चलो Amazon पे थोड़ा scroll करते हैं. I love scrolling on Amazon, so not complaining right now. Also, yeah, I am in like the weirdest position. I am on the floor. On my newly washed rug. Even if it wasn't washed, I would still be here. I do actually like to lay down here. I don't know why, I do enjoy it. But हाँ, अभी मैं यही करने वाली हूँ. मुझे 2 घंटा कैसे निकलेगा पता नहीं मुझे honestly, because स्टार्टिंग में I was feeling really good about the challenge. मुझे 2 घंटे actually लग रहे थे हर एक कैटेगरी के लिए. But now that I'm so tired, I can't care less. Like I'm like, just add stuff to the cart and just get it over with. So 2 घंटा थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा accessories के लिए. But I'm just gonna scroll on Amazon and scroll on Zara. I do really like to scroll on Zara, even though I never buy anything from Zara because it's too expensive and I just don't think it's worth it. So that's just probably how I'm gonna waste my time.
Okay, so the next category is something that we've just been, you know, promising ourselves that we'll go out and buy, but we are not doing it. So I thought let's include it in this video. It's sports or fitness products or sports or fitness items, anything that comes to your mind regarding fitness, you can go out and buy.
So finally, second last category, we're almost coming towards the end of the video, which I'm very happy about. It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock right now, and which is a very like used to be a very usual time for me. I think last month I was going through this phase wherein I was back to lockdown, like the first lockdown like last year, wherein I would like stay up till like 4 or 5. मतलब नींद ही नहीं आती थी मुझे. अभी I've gotten a little bit better. I sleep by 1. But क्या बोल रहे थे? Category, second last category, and the category is sportswear, which is actually a very smart category, and I obviously already have stuff added to my cart. So to my wish list, I'm just gonna add it to my cart. I do want to buy some dumbbells. You get the point. Cute pink ones, but then I don't know how will I ever end up using them in a workout, you know. I'm gonna have to ask Shikhar. Abhi to he won't reply, but I'm just gonna like buy them regardless because I've been wanting them for a while. So this is the set that I really want to buy. It's so cute, right? By the way, ये video inspire मतलब मुझे करने का मन हुआ because मुझे shopping करने का बहुत मन कर रहा था like since the last few days. So I was like, let's be productive about it and like make a video around it. And मुझे H&M से actually बहुत shopping करना था, but I don't think I've actually bought anything from H&M other than this set. Yeah, I don't think so. And it's a good thing I did this challenge because I think वो shopping का कीड़ा is out of my system. I do not want to shop anymore because obviously I'm a little bit scared looking at my bank statement, and also I'm a little bit over it, like spending money. Still have a lot of time to kill. इसके बाद just one more category and we're almost done. That's what I'm telling myself to like keep myself going. Just one more category.
Okay, so the last category is something
That you've been wanting to do,
from a long time.
and hence that category is
Items that you're going to take with you on your next vacation, or vacation items.
There might be a vacation, maybe, I don't know, in the month of November. I don't know, depends on COVID obviously. So maybe I could add stuff to my cart for that. I definitely want to add that really cool pump thing that Mansi showed in her video, last video, favorites video. वो मैं डाल रही हूँ कार्ट में. उसके अलावा पता नहीं यार क्या देखूँ. Should I watch some more YouTube videos travel related? I think that will inspire me. I think the last 6 hours I've just like spent watching videos trying to find inspiration as to what I should shop, which I'm not complaining. I love watching YouTube videos, but अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है. Last 2 hours, let's do it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's get started with the haul. Now it's been a couple of days, I think like 15-20 days since I shot the actual challenge, so I have most of the things here with me. There are still a few items that have not arrived. I'll just insert the close-up of those later on, but I wanted to just start showing you guys everything that I got because I'm very excited. So the first category was birthday, which was I think one of my favorite categories. So the first thing that I picked up, as you guys saw, was a float. But I did not pick up either one of the floats that I showed you in the vlog earlier. I actually picked up a different float altogether, which was very expensive. It was for 5,000 rupees, but I'm not going to show you guys in this video what it is because I've planned an entire video around it almost. But just know that I've bought a float from Amazon. Next, I bought a bathing suit from Zara. This was actually the first time ever that I bought anything from Zara like online. So I got this bikini top, and then I got a high-waisted bikini because everyone's gained weight in the lockdown, and high-waisted is a great option. I actually picked up one more item from Zara, which are these shorts. So if you guys know me or you've been following me for a while, you know that I own only one pair of shorts, only one, and I thought since it's my birthday I should get another pair of shorts. So this is the one that I picked up. Then I got some decoration for my birthday. So these are just like colorful banners. I got 3 of them. The first thing that I picked up was this James Charles palette. I got this from the Beauty Bar on Instagram. Now I don't know if this is considered as like a luxury item, but it was expensive, so I got it. This is what it looks like. It's like a rainbow palette. I didn't just buy one perfume, I bought 2 perfumes. Both of these are for I think 6,500 rupees. So the first one is by Giorgio Armani, and it's called C. Now this is something that I had smelled when I was shopping in a mall like a few years ago, and I've been wanting it ever since I got that. And then I got the classic Black Opium by YSL. Now moving on to food, I actually did not end up buying any sort of like snacks because it just didn't make sense to me. So I ended up buying, guess what, actually let me just show you what I got. I got an air fryer. This is what it looks like. This is by Philips. And I thought instead of like wasting my money on snacks which will get over within like a week, I should invest in something that is going to help me make healthy food. And it really has been helping me make some really yummy recipes. If you want, I can share it in an upcoming vlog. Along with that, I got some spices so that whenever I air fry some vegetables, I can season them. So I got garlic powder, then I got Kashmiri chili paprika powder, coconut oil spray. So you can just spray this on your vegetables and then air fry them rather than drizzling so much of oil. Shopping for your family. So let's start with my baby cousin. By the way, sorry I'm being so annoying, like touching my hair, but I just washed them, so I'm just feeling excited. But the first thing that I got is a dress from H&M. It has not arrived yet, so I'm just gonna pop up a picture on the screen of what it looks like, and I thought it was the cutest dress ever, so I had to get it. Then I got this sari for my nani. I already gave it to her, and I bought it because I thought she would like it, like it was a color scheme that she would like, but she actually did not like it. But ठीक है, she still is gonna use it. Mom के लिए I bought Granil, which is a hair color. It's like a natural hair color. That's the only thing that she uses. It's organic, so that's what I got for her. She's been actually wanting to buy it since months, and कहीं मिल नहीं रहा था, तो I just got it from Amazon. For my dad, I actually got this tripod, which I need to give it to him. But my dad takes online classes, and he doesn't have a tripod for his phone, so I thought I should finally get him one. I actually did try to get one last year lockdown में, but बहुत ही फालतू सा tripod आया था, which never ended up working. So I just spent a little bit more money and got a more heavy duty one. And for my other cousin Kashish, I got her a ring light because she's been wanting to start a YouTube channel. So I got her like a mini ring light which she can like travel around with. I have the same one also, by the way, and it's so nice. So if you want it, check out the link in the description box. Next category, shopping for friends. Now for my friends, I'm gonna actually insert pictures of them either wearing it or them like holding the product. So the first thing that I got for Adya and Mayur were these matching t-shirts. Now they're about to get married, so I just thought like a couple t-shirt would be really cute. And also there's like an inside joke. Mayur is a marine engineer, so the whole thing just made sense. For Aditya, I got a copy of Bhagavad Gita, and he's actually, I think, almost done reading it also, and he enjoyed it thoroughly. It's in English, by the way, so in case you want to read the Bhagavad Gita, I think you should definitely check it out. I got some books for Jatin also. I got like a full set that I got on Amazon. It was like a full kit of 5 books, like a set of 5 books. Now Shikhar loves wearing like printed tees, so I got one from H&M, I believe. And for Teeth, I got these furry slippers. So I actually own the same slippers, and he will like steal them from me every time I wear them. So I just thought I would get a pair for him. And for Siddhi, I got some makeup, just some like basic blush and lipstick. Moving on to kitchen, which is kitchen hi tha na, kitchenware. Kitchenware was the category. So I got these flute glasses, which are very pretty. I got a set of 8, I think. Yeah, for 10, one or the other. Then I got this wiper from Scotch Brite. I didn't have this at the studio, so I thought I would buy this. This is more like a need than a want. And the last thing that I got was this chopper. I feel like everyone has this घर पे. मेरे घर पे भी है, but again studio पे नहीं था, so I thought I should get this. It just makes the whole process of chopping so much easier. If you don't own this, I feel like out of everything that I've shown you, buy this for yourself or your mom. Next was bathroom. So the first thing that I got was this mirror, which actually hasn't arrived yet. I'm so sad about it, but I don't have a mirror in the studio. Bathroom mein nahi hai. So I thought might as well, if I have to spend money, let's spend money on something that I actually need, because that is something that I would buy eventually also. So I strategically placed everything in these categories that I needed. So I got that mirror from Amazon, and then I just got this body wash from Plum. This is in the Vanilla Vibes variant. You know, I'm obsessed with this fragrance, so I thought I would get a shower gel because shower gel वैसे भी खत्म होने आया था, तो I'll replace it with this. Next category is loungewear. Now, जब loungewear बोला, obviously I logged on to simbalifestyle.com and I bought the following products.
So it's been getting a little bit chilly in Mumbai because it's been raining, so I thought I should call for my hoodies. So I got a bunch of hoodies in all the colors that we have, and also we do have an offer running right now wherein if you buy the hoodie and joggers, you will get it for 1699, which means that you will be saving 200 rupees.
Okay, next we have books. So I did buy a few books.
So these were the 6 books that I ended up picking. Of course, they're going to be linked down below.
Next category was accessories. Again, for accessories, I actually discovered something super cool. I got these claw clips. I have one in white also, which is in my room. I use that the most because I feel like on my black hair, it really like contrasts and looks good. Then I got some razors. So I actually considered all of these like beauty accessories as like accessories. I hope this counts as like accessories. Then I also got a blow brush. Oh, I also got these magnetic lashes. I'm a little bit scared to use them, to be very honest. Second last category, which was sportswear. So I actually wanted to buy so many things, like so many cute sets and sports bras, but for some reason everything was not in my size या फिर out of stock था, and रात को I was like over it. So I just picked up these dumbbells that I got from Amazon. 1.5 kg का है, 2 आया total, एक इसमें भी है, and I got them obviously in a cute pink color. Last but not the least, we have the travel category. अब उसके लिए मैंने 2 काफी interesting products उठाए. The first one is this 5-in-1, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 4-in-1 bottle, but basically इसमें 4 छोटे छोटे compartments है, and you can fill your shampoo, your conditioner, your body wash, your hair serum, whatever you want in here, and it's gonna be all in one, and you can just turn this around and it's gonna dispense the product. I think it's the greatest invention ever. And then I also got this weight measuring thing. So when you travel, your baggage has to be of like a certain weight, right? So this is really handy because I'm always overpacking and I need something to weigh my baggage. So I don't have that, so I picked this one up. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this fun challenge. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these like weird, bizarre challenges, because it was fun. It was exhausting, I will say that, but it was so much of fun. Let me know in the comments down below. Till then, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Ski On, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.